Quick tips to boost video engagement. Create a captivating opening. Start with an intriguing question, a unique fact, or vibrant visuals. Instantly spark their curiosity and promise value. They'll stick around. Dramatic visuals paired with clean, vibrant sound are a recipe for success. Invest time in dynamic editing to give your video that professional edge. A bold thumbnail stops the scroll, while captions keep engagement high, even during silent views. Make your content both eye-catching and accessible. Don't just end, empower. Ask viewers to like, share, or comment. And invite them to subscribe for cutting-edge creator tips. Start boosting engagement today. Subscribe to our channel for more video marketing tips.